In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic dashboards in Salesforce. Dynamic dashboards are a fantastic feature that allow you to personalize data views according to user needs, ensuring that the right insights are available to the right individuals. They're all about being efficient and effective. So let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point, and from here we want to make sure you have easy access to all your tools and apps. Once you're on the home page, look for the App Launcher, usually represented by a grid icon at the top left of your screen. Click on it. This tool is incredibly convenient because it provides a gateway to all the applications and features you have available within Salesforce. Now that you're in the App Launcher, you will see various options. What we want here is dashboards, so go ahead and click on Dashboards. This section is where all your dashboard magic will happen. In this area, you can visualize and interact with your data through various graphical formats, making data analysis a lot more digestible. Once you've entered the Dashboard section, select the dashboard you'd like to make dynamic. This is typically a list, so simply choose one and you'll notice a More Options button, usually presented by 3 dots next to the dashboard name. Click on this button. It reveals more actions you can take on your chosen dashboard. Next, from the revealed menu, click on Edit. The Edit function is crucial because it allows you to modify this dashboard's settings or content according to your needs or the needs of your team. You're now in a mode where you can tweak and customize. We're making good progress. Now find the option to Edit Dashboard Properties. This is where you can adjust settings to make your dashboard dynamic. It's an important feature because it allows you to set who should be able to view the dashboard and under which parameters they'll see data. Focus your attention on the View Dashboard As setting. This option lets you specify rules on who views what. Setting this appropriately can have a significant impact on data security and relevance. You can select another person if you wish to let a specific individual have the privilege, or go with the dashboard viewer if you want anyone with the right permissions to see it as themselves. After you make these adjustments, be sure to choose the relevant View Dashboard option according to your organization's needs. Once you're satisfied with your settings, it's time to save your changes. So go ahead, click on Save not once, but twice just to ensure that all your changes are securely saved and stored. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic dashboard in Salesforce. With these settings, you'll ensure that each user has the most relevant and personalized data experience possible. This can help improve decision-making and streamline operations within your team. Thank you for watching, and happy Salesforce navigating.